everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to understand method overriding in Java with a real-time and a very simple example. By the end of this video, you will clearly know what method overriding is, why we use it, and how it works in Java. So, method overriding happens when a child class provides its own implementation of a method that already exists in the parent class. So it has the same method name, same parameters, same return type, but different implementations. This is used to achieve runtime polymorphism in Java. We would look at polymorphism a little later, but first let's understand this. So as suggested, the subclass provides a new implementation, subclass which is a child class, it provides a new implementation to a method that already exists in the superclass, that is the parent. Okay, that is, there should be inheritance, and as we discussed, it should have the same method name. So as in parent class, it should have same signature or the parameter and should have the same return type. Okay, and it only applies for non-static methods. Okay, for static methods it is called method hiding. We would be understanding this also in a while. Now let's take some example. For example, here we have created a class named as demo1, and this is a method void add which says system.out.println I am a parent. We have another class now, class demo2, which extends demo1. So here demo2 is a child and demo1 is a parent. Now we are overriding the method, so void add. As discussed, we have the same name of the method with the same signature, nothing, no parameters, and same return type, which is void. And here I'm going to do a sys out saying I am a child. Now when I create an object of demo2 and run, to get output saying I am a child. That is, this parent method has been overridden by the child method. So we have a real-time example of Google Maps. So here Google Maps is the parent one, and Ola, Uber, Swiggy, they are all child ones which override the Google Maps. If we see their application, we see that they look similar to Google Maps. So Google Maps are overridden by Ola, Uber, Swiggy, etc. for enhancing their apps. This is just an example. Now let's look at another example with practical. Here I am creating a new class called as method overriding, and I am taking the main method in this. Okay, so this is going to be our main class and the main method. So first I'm going to take a class called as bank, and this bank will return certain rate of interest. This is going to be our parent class, and as per overriding, we are going to create some child classes which are going to extend bank class, and we are going to have the same method as the bank class. We are just going to override it by changing its rate of interest. So let's start. First I'm creating this class bank, which is going to have a method called public. Since I'm going to return the rate of interest, and rate of interest could be double, so it's going to be public double bank interest. This is my method, and I'm going to implement something in this, which is okay, I want to return, right? So it would be return rate of interest, say, okay, let's consider 5. So this is my bank class. I'm going to create another class, say SPI, and it extends bank class. The idea is to override the method. So as per the definition, the method name, return type, and parameters should be same. Hence, I'm naming it as it is, and this time I'm going to return another value because the implementation should be different. So here the rate of interest is 6.5. Similarly, I'm creating another class. This time we'll go with HDFC, and it is extending again the bank class. And because the method naming is same, just the implementation is different, I'm just copy pasting this from the bank class, and I'm going to return some different rate of interest, say 7. Okay, now let's go inside the main class. What is this? Okay, let's look at this in some time. First, let me write the code. Okay, now I'm creating a reference object of bank. Either I can create that or I can create objects of all the classes separately. But let's do it in this way. So I've created I'm creating the object of SBI class. Parenthesis. Yeah, and similarly I'm going to create for HDFC. Okay, before that I'll just put the system.out.println to just understand that what are the interest values by that particular. Yeah, so just rearrange. Okay, now I'm creating an object of HDFC. And let's do a SISO for bank interest. So if you see this, it is coming from the bank class. However, we should know that because we have created an object of HDFC, it is going to take value of HDFC. Now let's okay, let me just resolve this error. I don't know why it is coming. Let me check the brackets first of all. Okay, this. Okay, we are missing one bracket. These have. Okay, yeah, so that error is gone now, and we have another error. Oh, okay, so because we have not created object of bank class, so let's do it. Bank is equal to new bank. And now I'll put system.out.println bank.bank interest. Yeah. So let's act as the JVM. Now first it will create an object of bank, and then when we go to the method, it is going to return 5. I'm just putting here output as 5.0 because the return type is double. The next is SBI. So we've created an object of SBI and we've called this method. Now this child class is going to override the parent class. So it is going to be 6.5. And now we have created another object of HDFC and it is going to return a value of 7. So it has again overridden the method and the interest rate would be 7.0. Let's run. Now if we run this, you can see the interest rate as 5.0, 6.5 and 7.0. So this was method overriding. In the previous video, we saw method overloading, and in the next video, we'll see method hiding and polymorphism. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.